Have you ever come across the term crypto burn and wondered what it really means? At first, it might sound confusing, but in reality, it's a straightforward concept that plays an important role in how certain cryptocurrencies work. In this video, we'll break down what a crypto burn is, how it actually works, and why projects use it. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of one of the most common strategies in the crypto world. Let's start with the basics. A crypto burn happens when tokens or coins are permanently removed from circulation. Think of it like throwing money into a locked vault and throwing away the key. Once those tokens are burned, they can't be used, traded, or brought back. Projects usually do this to reduce the total supply of a cryptocurrency. And if you remember your basic economics, when supply goes down, demand often goes up. That's one of the main reasons token burns are seen as a positive move. So how exactly does this burning process happen? It's usually done through a process called a burn address or Ether address. This is a special crypto wallet with no private key, meaning nobody can ever access it. When tokens are sent there, they're effectively gone forever. Some projects schedule regular burns, like Binance with its BNB token. Others have automatic mechanisms, where a small portion of every transaction is burned. Ethereum, for example, introduced a burn mechanism with its EIP 1559 upgrade, where part of the transaction fee gets burned. Now let's answer the big question, why? There are a few key reasons projects burn tokens. Number 1, scarcity and value support. By reducing supply, they aim to make the remaining tokens more valuable. Number 2, deflationary pressure. Some projects use burns to counteract inflation, making their tokenomics more sustainable over time. Number 3, transaction utility. In some ecosystems, burns are built into the process, like Ethereum's fee burn, to balance usage and supply. And number 4, community trust. Burns can also be a way for projects to show commitment to holders. For example, if a project raised funds through token sales, burning a portion later can signal transparency and long-term focus. So while not every burn guarantees higher prices, it does serve as an important tool for token economics. Furthermore, it's worth noting that burns aren't always a magic fix. Some projects use them as hype, without real long-term value. And that's it. If you found this beginner's guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto explainers, and let us know in the comments, do you think token burns are good for long-term value, or just hype?